very good evening to all fellow Toastmasters and guests. Thank you for the lovely introduction, Sanjana. I really can have anything which is vegetarian. Well, which is the first icon that you click on when you open your computer screen? What is that service that in your phone, if it's not there, your phone becomes useless? What is that power that is there in your hands, that a little twitch of your fingers and the world is at your command? Well, thinking? If Mr. Winston Cerf was sitting amongst us today, he would have definitely understood what I am trying to say. But then, back in the 1980s, even Mr. Winston Cerf did not realize that he is going to change the face of the world, that he is going to create a revolution. Mr. Winston Cerf has given us Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol, TCP/IP, and that revolution that he created is known as the Internet. Well, I understand. I can get some mixed reactions over here. Internet, is it really a revolution or just an overrated technology? Especially from those parents and those elder siblings who see their young kids and their younger siblings glued to the internet like bees glued to honey. But then, I want to present my case over here with some facts. You must not be knowing, but internet is that industry which has grown by 500% in the past 10 to 12 years. In the year 2000, it had a humble base of 361 million users that has become a whooping 1967 millions in 2012. It is the industry where the young minds ignite, where the young minds have become millionaires, zillionaires overnight. I can give examples for Mark Zuckerberg, Andrew Fox, Larry Page, Sergey Brin, to name a few. On May 18, 2012, the US market was traumatized, was not traumatized, was a little taken aback. Why? Because a company which had its first IPO managed a capitalization of 10,400 crores, just US dollars, that is in US dollars, and that company was an internet social networking company, that was Facebook. Well, a lot of facts. Now let's come down to individual levels. Internet has made the world flat. Agreed. The distance barrier is gone. It has also made us individuals much richer, much smarter. I'll explain that later. The world has become flat. How? The distance barrier is almost gone. If they said that the world is a small place, it has become a smaller place now. My aunt's paternal family is all settled in abroad. Somebody is in Germany, somebody is in Dubai, somebody is in UK, somebody is in the US. She used to speak to them once in a month. She used to see them once in 4 years, maybe once in 6 years. But now, she literally lives in their dining room. They talk to each other every day. They see each other every day. This is what internet has done, and that too at the cost of some pennies. It has made us much richer. Now how? For most of us, internet is about Facebook, Gmail, email, Twitter, that's it. But for some enlightened individuals, Facebook is much more than that. It is a world of e-magazine, e-newspaper. It is a pool of free knowledge. They are saving a fortune over there. How come? If you are an avid reader, maybe you read 10 books in a month, just calculating, just assuming. Each and every book comes to around 300 rupees if I take an average. So 10 into 300 is 3,000 rupees. If you manage to get the books from Flipkart, that is, gives you almost a 40% discount, means you are saving how much? 1,200 rupees. That 1,200 rupees into 12 becomes 14,400 rupees. Now take that calculation all through your life, and probably you will end up buying something really good at the end of 4 years, 5 years, or maybe 10 years. So now, internet has made the world flat. Internet has made us richer. Internet has made us smarter also. How come? One day on my Facebook page, I read somebody's status was, potato gnocchi is the worst form of Italian cuisine. I thought thought to myself, potato guruji, I can copy that word and pasted it on Google. And then I found myself a new recipe. Not that, there was a pop-up which showed that Italy is in Euro Cup 2012 finals. I followed that story. Then again there was a pop-up that Euro crisis is getting worse. I again followed that story. In a mere 3 clicks, I got to know about 3 different things. Well, one more thing that internet has revolutionized is our shopping. And if you've not done shopping online, I really pity you. There are coupons, there are discounts, there are offers, there are cash on delivery options, there are return policies of 30 days. So I'm sure you don't want to give it a miss. Well, coming to more individual levels, our club, the Kolkata Toastmasters, is also an offspring of the internet. If Mr. Pabrai did not have access to internet, if he did not know that if internet was not there, he wouldn't have known that there was a public speaking club in US. We all are connected to to International Toastmasters by internet. We pay our dues. We get our development updated. We get our manuals all by internet. Well, I guess that sums all about internet. Moreover, internet can be that best intelligent friend that you never had. Your parents might not have all the questions that your parents not have all the answers that you see, but trust me, Google will have all the answers that you see, minus the tantrums too. Over to you, Mr. Ray.